Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we dipped into negative MACD and we're slightly nearing oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD. We did see a diverge there, and we're approaching to negative MACD territory. We have yet to test the 200 moving average, this green line, as our support at the price of $51.25. As for the trade idea of the week, my position size is less than 1% in my portfolio. My long entry is at $50.21, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $55.12, and my stop loss is at $48.67. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $56.75, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $51.84, and my stop loss will be at $58.49. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 50% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 6.1%. To the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.1%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 6.1 to negative 12.2%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.